Welcome back to Advice Central, the place where real people get real solutions. In our first video, we broke down the difference between the middle class and the working class. Then, we talked about how to reprogram your mindset for success. But today, we're getting straight to the point. No fluff, no guesswork. Just clear, practical steps you can take right now to improve your financial life, your opportunities, and your future. Let's get into it. Number 1. Get new skills. Upgrade yourself to increase your value. Welcome back to the channel. If you've watched our past videos like middle class versus working class and reprogram your mind, you know we're here to speak directly to people who want more out of life, but aren't sure where to start. So here's the truth. If you want to rise in this world, you need new skills. Not degrees, not diplomas hanging on the wall. Skills, real ones that people will pay for. Whether you're a warehouse worker, cashier, mechanic, delivery driver, or customer service rep, there's always another level. Always something you could learn that would increase your value in the job market. And no, this doesn't mean spending thousands on school. It means becoming useful in more ways than you are today. Ask yourself, can I learn how to fix something others can't? Can I figure out a system that saves time or money? Can I train myself to be more organized, speak better, work faster? This could be learning how to manage inventory, how to handle customers better, how to supervise a team, how to track finances, or how to manage time better. You don't need someone to hand it to you. You can start where you are. This is about thinking like a builder. You're not just doing a job, you're building a better version of you, quietly, day by day. The person who keeps learning can never be stuck forever, because skills open doors that talent and hard work alone can't. Number 2, make more money. Stop waiting. Start creating extra income. Let's get brutally honest. You can't save your way to freedom if your paycheck barely covers the basics, and you can't keep depending on one job when the price of everything keeps rising. So here's the tool. You need to make more money, not someday, now. Let's break it down. 1. Ask for more at your current job. Most people never ask. They wait, year after year, hoping their boss notices. Instead, prove your value. Show up early, take initiative, learn something new, and then ask, can we talk about a raise? Be clear, be respectful, but ask. You might be surprised. 2. Use what you already know. Everyone's good at something. Can you braid hair, wash cars, cut grass, fix phones, organize closets, translate, babysit, cook, clean? That's money sitting in your hands. You don't need to quit your job. Start small on weekends or evenings. Do one service for one person. If they're happy, they'll tell someone. That's how it grows. 3. Start simple, not perfect. Most people wait for a business plan, the right timing, or a fancy logo. That's the trap. The truth? You just need to start. The first $20 you make outside of your 9-to-5 will change the way you think. You'll realize money isn't just about labor, it's about value. Solve a problem, meet a need, and people will pay. 4. Stack it. Even $100 a week is $400 a month. That's a car payment, that's groceries, that's a credit card gone. Keep stacking. That's how you build momentum. The goal isn't to hustle forever. It's to create space. Space between you and stress, between you and panic, between you and living check to check. You don't need more hours. You need more options. Number 3, sell used stuff. Turn clutter into cash, one item at a time. Here's a powerful truth. You're probably sitting on hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars right now. Not in your bank account, but in your basement, your garage, your closets, your kitchen cabinets, old phones, extra chairs, unused gym equipment, baby clothes your kids outgrew, tools you haven't touched in years, even stuff you found on the side of the road. All of it has value to someone else. Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp. These platforms are like digital gold mines for people who know how to flip items. You might say, but I don't have anything valuable to sell. Here's a mindset shift. What's useless to you could be useful to someone else. In fact, many people have paid off debt, started savings, or even bought property just by selling secondhand goods. One example, a person was able to buy a house in France after flipping things they found in the trash and selling them on Facebook Marketplace. Think about that. Here's how to start. Go through each room, pull out anything you haven't used in the past 6 to 12 months. Take decent photos with your phone. Post them with clear descriptions and honest pricing. Negotiate kindly. Meet safely in public places. Stack the small wins. You're not just making money, you're decluttering your life. You're learning how to value and trade. And you're building the muscle of action, which is something the middle and working class often overlook in day-to-day survival. Turn your home into your first business. You'll be shocked at how quickly it adds up. Number 4. Downsize to upgrade your life. Less stuff, less stress, more freedom. Sometimes the best way to move forward is to let go. Most people in the middle and working class get stuck because of overhead, big rent, high car payments, endless bills, subscriptions they forgot about, more clothes than they wear, storage units full of stuff they don't use. And here's the irony. They're working 40, 50, 60 hours a week just to keep what's weighing them down. So here's the tool, downsize. Not because you're giving up, but because you're clearing space to grow. What can this look like? Move from a 3-bedroom to a 2-bedroom. Trade in the brand new car for a reliable used one with no payments. Cancel subscriptions you haven't used in months. Cut your phone bill in half by switching providers. Share Wi-Fi with a neighbor. Sell off large furniture you don't need. It's not about living miserably. It's about living intentionally. When you downsize smart, your monthly costs shrink, and suddenly you breathe easier. You save more, stress less, and most importantly, you open the door for the next version of you to walk through. Downsizing isn't a step back. It's often the smartest first step forward. Number 5. Live within your means. Stop impressing people. Start building freedom. This is the one mindset shift that separates those who survive from those who escape the trap. Most middle and working class people don't struggle because they don't make any money. They struggle because they spend every dollar they make. Or worse, they spend more than they make. Credit cards, buy now, pay later, car loans for vehicles they can't truly afford, designer clothes, phones, dinners, not for joy, but to feel like they're doing okay. Here's the truth. You don't need to look rich. You need to be free. Living within your means doesn't mean living in poverty. It means building discipline. Start by doing this. Track every dollar you spend this week, even the small stuff. Cut out anything that doesn't serve your long-term goals. Fast food, $7 coffee, streaming services you don't use. It all adds up. Pay yourself first, even if it's $10. Put that into savings before you spend on anything else. If you can't afford to buy it twice, you can't afford it once. That's the golden rule. Financial freedom starts with a simple idea. Spend less than you earn. Do this consistently, and no matter what your income is today, your future self will thank you. You can't out-earn bad habits, but you can out-discipline your environment. Number 6. Move to another state or country. If the game is rigged, change the board. This one scares people, but it's one of the most powerful tools you can use to escape the grind. Sometimes, no matter how well you budget, save, or hustle, you're just in the wrong place. Too expensive, too crowded, no job opportunities, toxic environment, no community support. So what do? You move. Middle and working class people are often told to work harder, but rarely told to work smarter by relocating. If rent is taking up half your paycheck, move to a place where it doesn't. If you're living paycheck to paycheck in a city with no future, look at towns or even countries where the cost of living is lower and the quality of life is higher. You don't need to move tomorrow, but you can start planning. Research affordable cities or states with lower rent, better job markets, or better schools. Look at countries with friendly visa options and low living costs. Build a remote skill or job that allows flexibility. so you can work from anywhere. Start small, maybe relocate to a nearby town first, then expand your vision from there. Movement creates momentum. When you physically remove yourself from what's draining you, you create space for growth, clarity, and renewal. You're not stuck, you're just used to where you are. But your life can look radically different if you're willing to step outside your zip code. Let's quickly recap what we covered in this video. Get new skills. Upgrade yourself. Whether it's learning how to fix something, use software, or communicate better, every new skill increases your value. Make more money. Look for extra income streams. That could mean a part-time hustle, freelancing, or simply charging what you're truly worth. Sell used stuff on Facebook Marketplace. You'd be surprised how much you're sitting on. Declutter, sell, and turn those forgotten items into real cash. Downsize. Don't let your lifestyle drain your wallet. Reduce your monthly expenses by cutting back on things you don't truly need. Live within your means. Budget smarter. Stop chasing appearances and start building actual security. Move to another state or country. Sometimes the best opportunities aren't where you are. Explore your options, because cost of living and quality of life matter. 6 tools, all within reach. It's not about doing everything at once. It's about choosing where to begin. If you're still watching, that tells me one thing. You're serious about making a change. Now it's up to you. Pick one step from today's list and take action. Even the smallest move forward can change your path entirely. If this helped, drop a comment and let us know what you're starting with. And if you're ready for more practical tools to level up your life, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is Advice Central, where real advice meets real life. See you in the next one.